Yo, what's going on everybody? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I have a trick I actually made at World. Me and the boys, Dante and me, we decided to call this tower McDonald's Tower because it was made in Czech McDonald's. Here's what the trick looks like from my perspective. Fuck, I always miss that slack. There's the tower, and there's a little fancy green triangle. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Zen. Okay, so to start this trick off, you're going to go into your basic trapeze and create a gunslinger from there. From there, you're going to do a gunslinger, sort of like you're going into just a brother mount. But instead of going into a brother mount, you're also going to undercut the string, like so. It should just be that front string, and you should undercut and land in a modified Houdini. So from this modified Houdini, you're then going to pinch with your index finger and thumb to create this slack, and then drop it off your thumb on your non-throw hand. So that should look like that. From there, you're going to flick this slack over the yo-yo so that it lands in the front. But you want it to land so that, like, as you can see, the string connected to the thumb and the index finger is on top, and the one connected to your middle finger goes around the back, or around the front, sorry, and under. From here, you're then going to roll the yo-yo that way over your wrist whilst letting go your index finger. And then from here, you can reject this string here that is connected to your throw hand middle finger off the front of the yo-yo. This should leave you with this nice little like slack element here. You can just flick that to the front. And from here, you should notice that when pulled taut, this is just a modified sub mount with your hand in it. From that modified sub mount, you're then going to roll over your index finger like so. And then you can pull that front string through these two back strings by using your thumb and index finger on your non-throw hand. That should create a tower like this. From there, you're going to put your thumb into this big loop where your other hand is and let go of your index finger. Then you can drop the slack off the front of the yo-yo and do a small whip similar to, what slack is it? Similar to a vanish. But you're just trying to get this slack into the gap of the yo-yo. And then if you do a small semicircle, with all hope, you should be in a green triangle that pops to the front. And then you can bind. And yeah, that is the whole trick. Sorry, this is a bit of a rushed one for you. It's very late and I'm very tired. I'll go over the trick one more time for you. So, trapeze, modified kamikaze, pinch, throw slack over the wrist, reject, slack, sub, tower, and then slack, GT, if it's done correctly, and then a bind. And yeah, that is the whole trick. So if you got any comments or questions, please let me know down below. Otherwise, yeah, peace.